If you're experiencing high ping issues in CS2, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it generally provides a more reliable and faster connection than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your bandwidth. This includes downloads, streaming services, and other online activities that can slow down your connection. Step 3. Change server region. In CS2, go to the settings menu and change your server region to one that is closer to your geographical location. This can help reduce the distance your data has to travel, lowering your ping. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Adjust your game settings for better performance. Lowering graphics settings can help improve your frame rate, which may indirectly help with ping issues by reducing the load on your system. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to diagnose issues with your connection or suggest upgrades to improve your internet speed. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing CS2. Enjoy your gaming experience.